Hello guys, welcome back to the new DirtBike Lunatic video. Today we're back with another episode of Daily Dose of Biker Stuff. And for today we got some angry people, some police clips and much more. So sit back and enjoy. Let's start. This biker recorded the road rage between this woman and the guy in the car. Check out how angry this lady was. If you thought that you saw everything, check out this clip. Guy does a burnout in front of the biker, which is kinda disrespectful. But check out what's happening inside the car.
What'd you do that for? Man, right in my face though. Alright.
In this clip, truck driver gets angry because this biker filtered in front of him.
Es que justo se ha puesto en verde.
¿Eh?
Justo se ha puesto en verde.
Sí, pero había un vehículo y estaba
Sí,
yo.
lo siento, ¿eh?
No, lo siento, no me hagas, porque encima que el moto lleva matrícula, te la voy a coger y
Ya. Perdona.
Biker said that he was in wrong, but he thinks that this driver exaggerated a bit. This biker recorded this rather unusual phenomenon, a mini tornado which crossed his path. This biker crashed due to the high speed and bad throttle management. He said that this happened a month ago, and he is almost healed now.
You have to walk. No, don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Okay?
I need to lay straight, dude. My back is like...
I know. Yes, you have some service? Okay, please. You okay? Hey, stay with me, okay? Stay with me. Stay with me. Stay with me. I don't want to move you, and I
Dude, my back, it's like, I need to like stay straight.
okay, just roll over. Just roll over.
Oh, I have my backpack on.
Okay, here. Tell you what. There you go. Okay.
Oh. Take off my helmet.
Yeah. Okay.
In this clip, biker gets pulled over for going over the speed limit. Luckily for him, this cop was cool cop. Check it out.
Sheriff's office. We used to talk to your motorcycle today as you're going 47 miles an hour.
Oh man.
30.
Yeah.
We're also in extra enforcement today because right around that corner back there last week somebody died on a motorcycle speeding.
Oh my god, are you kidding?
Nope, I'm not. That's why there's that cross there.
Yeah.
We're just reminding people to slow down, seeing why they're going so fast. Where are you headed to today?
I was just going to Prescott,
Okay, where are you coming from?
Hudson.
Hudson. Okay, is this your motorcycle?
It is, yeah.
All right, do you have a driver's license?
Absolutely.
Check that out. You just not see the speed limits, or you just don't
I
care?
usually I go through there really slow because of the tar snakes.
Yeah.
I think I just wasn't probably,
Paying attention, these things are fast.
so
All that stuff.
my apologies, sir.
Is your insurance on your motorcycle valid?
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
Okay, what's the name of the company?
Progressive.
Progressive, okay. All right, I'll get you going here in a second, Jeremy.
Sure.
You mean you don't have any driving violations, all right?
No, yeah,
But you drive through here enough. You know what the speed limit is, right?
absolutely, yeah.
30, not
Yeah.
47.
No, I know.
So slow down, okay?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Thank you,
here
sir.
go.
Sad, man.
Oh, here we go again.
You stupid.
to take it off?
Yeah, well, you can't blow into it.
I can blow it too.
Okay, yeah, that's
trust
fine.
me, trust me.
That's okay.
Yeah.
If you know what you're doing.
Yeah.
Just count to 10 for me, go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All good.
Thank you.
Sir.
And that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out DirtBike Lunatic store and get yourself some DBL merch. Until the next episode guys, ride safe!